Hello all. So this video is about the logical equivalence. Before logical equivalence, we need to learn three terms involved in it. The first term is tautology. It suggests that a compound proposition is always true. No matter what the truth values of proposition that occur in it is called as a tautology. Here it explains that whenever we have given with the compound proposition, it will always have a true value for any or we can say for all cases. So this is what the tautology is. The second term is contradiction. It suggests that compound proposition is always false is called as a contradiction. So here is also it suggesting that the compound proposition which is given to us will always have a truth value as a false for all cases, which is exactly opposite of the tautology term. And the third term is contingency. It is nothing but a compound proposition that is neither have a tautology nor a contradiction is called as a contingency. Let's have an example for tautology and contradiction. So let's say if we have given with this expression, two expressions rather. So let's have a truth value for these expressions. So this is the truth table for the both expression. Let's discuss about the first term, that is p or negation of p. So for this expression two terms will be involved, that is p and negation of p. So I will have the combination of this p and negation of p, and I will have the value of ORing them by ORing them. So after ORing them I will get that the both values are true. Means what, in any cases or in all cases this expression will give me a true value, and that's why this expression is of the tautology. The second term is p and negation of p. So after having the value for this p and negation of p, I got that after adding these values, I am getting false. False value means what? For this expression, in all cases, the values are false. This is the example for the contradiction, and these are explains you the well terms in tautology and contradiction. So now let's move towards the logical equivalence. Logical equivalent is a compound proposition that have the same truth value in all possible cases are called as a logical equivalent. Example, if rather than if we have already studied this truth table in previous videos where this bidirectional gives us a tautology value. The tautology value means what? In all condition it is true. So what are the cases? That is, here in this case it is true, and here in this case it is true. So these true values come when p and q are logically equivalent. So this example suggests you that logical equivalence means what? This p and q are logical equivalent if this p bidirectional q is a tautology. So this is logical equivalence. Logical equivalent can be determined using a truth table. So let's have an example. So this example is given to us where this is the first term and this is the second compound proposition. So always we have to have a truth table to have the truth values of both expressions or both compound proposition. So I have drawn a truth table for the same, and after finding out the truth value, so D column is representing the truth value for the first compound expression, and G column expressing me a what's say truth values for the second compound proposition. So after getting a compound proposition, now I will check the truth values for each and every case. So in the first case, the truth values are nothing but false, false. In the second case, it is false, false. In the third case, false, false. And the fourth case, true, true. Means what? In all cases, it is they are having the same truth values, and that's why we can call these two compound expressions or compound propositions as a logically equivalent. So whenever we have asked for the logical equivalent, we need to just have the truth values, and we need to see that if they are logically equivalent means what? They have the same truth value or not. Let's have another example where the both terms are given. So this is the truth table for both terms where the D column is representing the first term, and the second term is represented in the E column. So after having this, I will just have look on whether this two expression is having same truth value in all cases. So here in the first it is having same, in the second case also it is having same truth value, in the third and the fourth also it is having the same truth value. So I can say that this is not logically equivalent expressions. Students, These are more examples to have a practice on logical equivalence. Thank you.